Situation clearly getting worse. We want to get you right to the White House Rose Garden, where the president is delivering remarks on expanding health care coverage for small businesses. Let's listen.
In competition all across our nation. Since that time, my administration has worked tirelessly to expand options and drive down the cost of health care for the American people. We took swift action to open short-term health plans and association health plans to millions and millions of Americans. Many of these options are already reducing the cost of health insurance premiums by up to 60% and really more than that. We also have launched a new initiative to bring down the price of prescription drugs. We are holding Big Pharma accountable, and I must say Big Pharma has also been working with us to try and get prices down. And if we had support with the Democrats, I must say we could get it down even more. We've reduced prices now by quite a bit, and this year is the first year, Alex Acosta, right, in 53 years that drug prices have come down. And I want to congratulate you and all the people that have worked so hard with you. That's really an incredible thing. First year. And we could get him down a lot more if we had a little support in Congress, and I think we'll get that support. I think that has to be a joint. If that's not going to be bilateral, we're going to get that done, and I think we're going to get it done quickly. We're going to get a lot of support. I've spoken to Democrats, and they are in support of it. We have to see if we can actually get them to raise their hand. If they do that, we're going to see some tremendous cuts in drug prices. So thank you very much, Alex. We've asked Congress to support a new research initiative to find a breakthrough cure for childhood cancers. And we've begun a public health campaign to eradicate AIDS in America once and for all. And that's really taking place like nobody would believe. We're looking at a 10-year plan. And at the end of 10 years, we're going to be in very good shape. Who would have thought that was possible even just a short time ago? And we're making dramatic strides in combating the opioid epidemic. We have it down by a number of almost 17% this year. And when I heard it, I thought they made a mistake. I said, you are not real. That's not a real number. And it is very much a real number. So Kellyanne and all of the people that have worked on that, that's a tremendous achievement. And we've worked with the medical profession and with doctors and with everybody. And to think that it's 17% in 1 year, that's a tremendous achievement. Thank you very much. And we're now working with Congress to pass legislation that ends surprise medical billing. And we're going to have another big announcement in 2 weeks, unrelated, but something that's going to have a profound effect on the things that we're talking about and have been talking about over the last 2.5 years. It's going to be something really incredible. That'll take place over the next 2 weeks. That'll be a very big announcement. Nobody knows what it is. It's going to be a big surprise, but it's going to be a very pleasant one. No American should be blindsided by bills for medical services they never agreed to in advance. We're promoting price transparency to force competition and drive down costs, and that's what's happening, and that's one of the reasons we're getting the drug prices stopping from those tremendous increases that have taken effect for so many years. For so many decades, they've been going only in one direction, up, and now we have them breaking even and going down. We're defending Medicare and Social Security for our great seniors. We have eliminated Obamacare's deeply unpopular individual mandate penalty, and you know how bad that was. Think of it. You paid a tremendous amount of money for the privilege of paying so that you don't have to pay for bad insurance, okay? How bad does that get? That's got to be a first. Nobody's ever heard of that one. But we eliminated it.
And you're listening to President Trump speaking at the Rose Garden on health coverage for small businesses. Coming up right here in the newsroom on this Friday, what had the president comparing his wife to one of the most famous and beloved first ladies?